Hi everyone, this is Rita from Lampack, the marketing representative. We are the manufacturer of producing the filling machine line, vertical packaging machine, and flow packaging machine with over 15 years experience. Now today we are going to introduce our round bottle labeling machine. This one, to put the label on the round bottle. Now let's go to check the machine. Okay, now let's go to check the details of this labeling machine. This machine is suitable for the bottle diameter from 25 to 130 millimeter, and there is no limit at height. Okay, and this one for the label range, the inner diameter is within 76 millimeter, and the outer diameter, this one, is within 300 millimeter. Okay, now let's check this structure where is to fit the label. Okay, let's see this one. This hand shank is to adjust the label up and down. Okay, adjust the label up and down on the bottle. Okay, here up and down, and you can see here there is a sensor. This sensor is to check the label. If the sensor checks there's no label, the machine will automatically stop. Now let's turn to this sensor. There is a sensor on the conveyor. This one is to detect the bottle. When it detects the bottle, it will give the signal to our Panasonic PLC. Then it will give the signal to this cylinder to grab the bottle. It's very tight, we even cannot move it. Okay, in this way, it can ensure the label on the bottle can be tight, stick. Okay, now let's go to check the machine work. What we need to do is just to click the colorful control panel. Okay, we just need to enter the automatic page and click here, start. Okay. This machine adopts the Panasonic PLC control, more intelligent and steady at label pasting precision. And it has the advantages at high speed and low speed steady running, strong anti-overload capacity, quick responding speed, and lower voice. Okay, the speed of this machine can reach 25 to 35 bottles 1 minute, and the accuracy of the label is 1 millimeter. Now let's go to see the surface on the label of the label is very flat and strong to stick the label surface. Okay, here we set is to stick 2 labels on bottle. We also can stick just 1 label here. Okay, we also can see 1 label working. We just need to choose the function selection. Okay, and just choose label 1 item. We'll label 1 times. Okay, and start. Okay, here. This one is just stick 1 label on the bottle. And also you can choose to label 1 circle. This is also no problem. Okay. Both of them are very nice. Okay, that's all today. If you have any confusions on this machine, just feel free to contact with us by below website. Okay, waiting for your message. Bye.